Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Esemudia. I'm here at K Show Concepts. I'm here to learn, or I was here rather, I've been here in the last 5 days to learn about graphics, motion, design, and what have you. Well, it was a privilege coming here to learn this knowledge and skills. One, it has helped me enhance my knowledge and understanding of this aspect of creativity and innovativeness. Well, this is the new in, like we already know. So it's been a very, very beautiful and lovely time learning from the basics of graphics, photography editing, video editing, and the like. I actually wish everyone out there to sometimes take up opportunities like this to learn new skills for business, for personal use, and for other developmental process. Well, for me, I've learned a bit. This is going to actually help me in promoting my business. Sometimes I do vlog. The facilitation was extensive and a lot of knowledge to learn from there. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure being here.